When I first started programming, I was super excited, but over time I started feeling exhausted. It wasn't that I lost interest in programming, but I got to focus in the competition, trying to learn faster. It felt like I wasn't enjoying it anymore and just focus on adding more programming languages to my list. That's mistake. If you're feeling the same and burning out, it's probably because you are stuck in constant learning without actually enjoying it or solving problems. What worked for me was limiting my work's time to 5 hours maximum and taking things slower to enjoy the process. Make sure to take regular breaks and give yourself time to rest. Also, celebrate every little win. A lot of programmers feel like they are not good enough or don't know enough, but you should be proud of the small stuff too. This is work for me. I'm Chill Code. If you like, please subscribe.